They say that x power 3 and square root y are linear relationship, which means that increase of x power 3 are proportional to the increase of square root y here. Of course, we are going to write down the equation with x and y only. So by looking at this graph, if you are not sure, then maybe you just simply consider a similar situation with x asset and y asset. After that, we replace this y asset by square root y. So we have, and also we replace x asset by x power 3 here. If you have a graph like this, x-intercept is -4, y-intercept is 1. Obviously, when x go by 4, then y will increase that by 1. So we say that the slope is 1/4. With the y-intercept 1, so we can very quickly write down y is equal to 1/4 times of x plus 1 here. But if it is too fast, then you may write down this point is -4, 0, and then this point is 0, 1. So by the equation of straight line, slope is equal to slope. That's a constraint for straight line. We have a general point xy here. So left hand side in terms of x and y minus 1 over x minus 0 should equal to a slope. So we can get the slope from these two given points. 1 minus 0, and then 0 minus -4, that means 0 plus 4. Y minus 1 over x is equal to 1/4, and therefore y minus 1 equal to 1/4 times of x, and also y is equal to 1/4 x plus 1. So it's just exactly the same. Anyway, we have this answer, but don't forget that we just, for simplicity, we get used to these two axes only. But in this case, it's x power 3 and also square root y, so we have to rewrite the formula. Y is not y but square root y here, and then 1/4 times of x, but the x should be x power 3 indeed. We already have the equation between x and y. We don't need to change the subjects because they didn't say that we have the formula y equal to something power something. We just simply put x is equal to 2. Consider this situation. This is 2 power 3. So this gives you 2 plus 1. Square root y equal to 3, therefore both sides take square. Then y will equal to 9. So the answer is C.